Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Way to Electronics by Yajva. In this video, I am going to show you 4x4 membrane keypad and 16x2 LCD module. Now, I have used 4x4 membrane keypad, 16x2 LCD module, buzzer, breadboard, Arduino board, jumper wires. Now, if I press this button on the top row, you can see my name, and in the bottom row, if I am pressing these buttons, you can see typing. Now I am going to show you how it's works. Now, you can see my name going on the top row, and if I press this button, the buzzer confirms me that I have written on the LCD module that the number I have written is confirmed. Now, when I am typing, you can see on the bottom row is coming the print of. Now you can see I have typed the numbers on the bottom row. Bye guys, see you in the next video. I'll come with an interesting sensor.